Hi, welcome to Plant Hunter TV. Today I'm going to do unboxing on this quantum board mini farmer LED lights. This was sent overnight. Great packaging. And this light I'm going to use for my indoor grow room, for my bonsai. Mostly it's going to be tropical trees. If you want to see a video of me building my indoor area, my space, as I call it. It's good packaging. So this must be the cables for electricity. And this we will open later. I think it's stickers. Now I think we can get it out. No? Okay, not the best knife. Now I think we can get it out. So this is the light. So it's 1.8 multi-red Seoul STW8C 12C 3500K plus UV plus RF plus OSRAM 660 nanometers max 1300 milliamp 45 watts and 180 times 390 millimeters, and that's the size. So here we have it. Really thin. Doesn't weigh anything. So this is nice. So that means I can use it on smaller shelves. Let's see what more we have in here. No, this is it. But now I see they have forgotten something. The stuff you hang it with should be in the box. But there is none. I will get back to you. But I will put a link in the description so you can find where I bought it. This is it. There should be cables for hanging the lights, but I don't see any, so I think maybe something was wrong package. We talked to them yesterday and they say it's included because we added one extra because it said it was not included. So we will see what's happening. Thank you for watching. If you want to support what I do, go to planthuntertv.com. You can buy really nice t-shirts, good quality prints. We'll really appreciate it. Thank you.